Hi amigos, welcome back to the Evolving Trader and let's start this video now. So today's video is about the best indicator you can use for investing as a beginner if you don't understand price action, and it is Bollinger Band, and let's apply it in front of you. So there is nothing to worry, it's nothing complex, it's just too easy. Go back, check the historic data and you are good to go. So just check after 2008. Before 2008 the markets were like too different, the behaviors were changing, and after 2008 the behaviors are pretty good to understand and have a great knowledge. Of course it worked here too if you see, but it's better, and the development and the economy changed a lot after 2008. So we'll see after 2008. So if we see what the plan is, basically this is the lower Bollinger Band. Many of you would know. If you don't know, so this is the lower Bollinger Band right down here. So whenever the market has touched it, especially Nifty, and to specify that we are on monthly time frame, so we are seeing a long term view as an investor. So we are on monthly time frame, and whenever Nifty has touched the lower Bollinger Band, it has moved greatly and the price never came back again, like never ever. So crash anything, just the price never came back, and this opportunity comes every 4 years. So it has consistently given an opportunity based on this every 4 years, and that could be the best time to invest as of this indicator. And actually it was the best time and the best price to invest, and it was the best returning strategy. So this is all real, I will prove it. It has given 100% and more than that return, that to on Nifty index, just index, and the stocks would have just skyrocketed if you see them individually. So the first opportunity came in 2008, it touched the lower Bollinger Band, it gave you 4 months to accumulate, 5 months incomplete to accumulate, and if you would have accumulated there and would have holded it nicely, so you would have got a return of more than 135%, that too in just 2 years. So can you imagine 135% in 2 years, that on index? So the stocks would have gone much more than that if you have bought it nicely. And again this opportunity came in 2008, right? So this came in 2012. If you see January 2012, again it was a great price on offer, and if you would have holded it from there and would have accumulated it here till the before next year, there was an almost a return of 100%, almost 100%, which is not bad. It's just too good, that on index. So the stock would have more skyrocketed. So again in 2016 you got one opportunity, Nifty touched the lower Bollinger Band, and the returns were also great this time too. So if you see, you got almost a return of 76%. Now if you know the price action, market retraces almost every 2 years 40-50%. So you see all these retracements, they were for a healthy market behavior and good price action, and the market doesn't just retrace after this and just went ahead and above. So it was supposed to crash, and many professionals predicted the COVID crash pretty easily. So if you see, if you would have bought here, your price never came, like it didn't came even in COVID crash. It just put at a wick, but it also went up, so it never gave a closing. And actually the low and the price never came. Even if you see from here, the price didn't came, it just touched it, but it didn't came, and it's not gonna come like that easily. So again in COVID, it also gave you an investment opportunity which you missed. So if you don't wanna miss this ahead in your life, please see this video and see this nicely and put it in your head. And if you want to take this as a swing trade strategy, you can also use that. Like you can just measure how much it return gave, and on an average it has given 100% and above returns. And if you see here in COVID how much it gave till now, it is like 116% and so on. So according to this strategy, if you see, is the current market best time to invest? And no, it's not at all. You just imagine if you would have bought something here, and why the hell you will sell or buy more here? Just it doesn't make any sense, right? And same is happening with professionals. It doesn't make sense to buy them. If they get some good stocks at good value, they keep accumulating. Or just imagine you are here, you bought it here, you got this rally, it started coming down, it came 10%, 15% down. Let's see specifically how much it came. So if we see from top, it came 17% down. Okay, 17%. So if you are missing on your 17%, so just imagine it came down, you got panic here, like here. As an investor, trader, whatever, you hold it this much, you don't want to miss out your profits. So just imagine next time when it hits you, many people will book their profits, right? And it's not that easy for an index to make a new high, so it has to spend time, which it is. And if you see, this price is not that good as compared to the price which was on offer back then, and it is good actually, but not that. Okay, so like it's not the best time and the best price to invest. Of course you can invest in portions here too, seeing supports and all that stuff, if you know it, and if you get some stocks at great value, so that's a different thing. But according to this strategy specifically, it's not the best time to invest. And this strategy gives entry every 4 years, so next entry will be in 2024, so just wait for it. Or if you are getting some good price, good value stocks, you can just go for it. I won't advise anything on it. So if you learned something valuable, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to channel, and hit the bell icon to get updated. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.